10 Best Turbo for 6.7 Cummins 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10. 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins VGT Turbo Actuator. Experiencing sluggish performance from your Ram 6.7L Cummins? Restore peak power with our premium VGT Turbo Actuator. Specifically engineered for 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 to 5500 ISB 6.7L diesel trucks equipped with whole-set P300 VG/P351VE turbos. This actuator is your solution for optimal turbocharger response. What truly sets it apart? It includes a wiring harness adapter, uniquely allowing seamless integration with 2007.5 to 2012 year turbochargers too. Crafted from high-quality, corrosion-resistant aluminum and rigorously tested to exceed OEM standards, it guarantees durability and efficient heat dissipation. Replacing common OE numbers like 684817772AA, this comprehensive kit provides everything for a confident install. The actuator, full installation kit, a product-specific calibration box, and an instructional tutorial. Get ready for smoother power delivery and renewed driving confidence. Number 9. 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins Turbo Actuator Calibration Kit. Is your 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins feeling sluggish? Or are you battling persistent VGT codes? Our Turbo Actuator Calibration Kit is the precision-engineered solution you need. Specifically designed for He300 VG and He351VE variable geometry turbos on Ram 2500 to 5500 diesel trucks. This kit offers a direct fit replacement for multiple OEM part numbers, ensuring perfect compatibility. You'll receive an upgraded calibration box, a high-quality turbocharger actuator, and a full installation kit, truly an all-in-one package. Forget complex modifications. This is a plug-and-play upgrade that restores your Cummins' optimal performance. Reclaim lost power, improve throttle response, and drive with confidence, knowing your Ram's turbo is operating exactly as it should be. Number 8. Ram 6.7L Turbo Speed Sensor. Experiencing turbo issues with your Ram 6.7L? Restore your truck's peak performance with our premium turbo speed sensor. Engineered to an OEM standard, this isn't just a replacement. It's an upgrade in reliability. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure unwavering stability and accuracy for your Cummins whole-set ISB/ISC/ISL/ISX 6.7L diesel, specifically fitting Dodge Ram 2500 to 5500, 2013 to 2018. Installation is a breeze. A direct, plug-and-play fit means you'll be back on the road quickly, without hassle. Forget compatibility worries. It directly replaces numerous part numbers like 403-2806. Invest in trusted quality and enjoy carefree performance, backed by our excellent service. Number 7. Stainless Steel Intercooler Kit for 2013 to 2018 Ram Cummins. Tired of your 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Cummins feeling a bit sluggish? Our stainless steel intercooler pipe kit is the direct upgrade your truck deserves. We've expertly engineered these 3.5-inch mandrel-bent stainless steel pipes to replace your restrictive factory setup, especially that notorious, dented hot side pipe, which chokes airflow down to just 2.25. By eliminating this significant bottleneck on both driver and passenger sides, you'll immediately notice a dramatic increase in airflow. The result? Sharper throttle response and genuine power gains you can feel. This polished, durable kit isn't just a replacement. It's an essential performance upgrade for any Cummins owner serious about maximizing their truck's potential. Unlock your Ram's true power today. Number 6. Ram 6.7L Cummins Turbo Actuator Calibration Kit. Unleash the full potential of your Ram 6.7L Cummins with our Precision Turbo Actuator Calibration Kit. Designed for 2013 to 2018 Ram 2500 to 5500 models. This direct OEM fit replacement eliminates guesswork, seamlessly integrating with your truck. Say goodbye to sluggish throttle response and bothersome turbo noise. Our kit features a dedicated calibration module and clear, step-by-step instructions, making proper installation straightforward. Once calibrated, you'll immediately experience a significantly sharper throttle, smoother power delivery, and a quieter, more efficient turbo. Crafted with upgraded materials for superior durability, this actuator ensures long-lasting, optimal performance. Reclaim that confident, responsive driving experience you deserve, knowing your Cummins is operating at its peak. Number 5. 6.7L Cummins Ram Turbo Actuator Replacement. Is your 6.7L Cummins Ram feeling sluggish or lacking its legendary power? It's time to restore that performance with our brand new turbo actuator replacement. Engineered for a perfect fit, this unit is specifically designed for your 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 2500 or 3500 with the 6.7L i6 wholeset E300 VG, part number 5327045. Forget complicated installations. This is a direct replacement, meaning absolutely no additional modifications are required. You'll quickly get your truck back to optimal turbo responsiveness and efficiency. Plus, we stand by our quality. Every actuator comes with a robust 24-month warranty, giving you complete peace of mind. Give your Cummins the precision and power it deserves. Number 4. 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L Turbocharger and Actuator Kit. Ready to unleash your Ram's full potential? If your 2013 to 2018 Ram 6.7L ISB Turbo Diesel feels sluggish, our Turbocharger and Actuator Kit is the upgrade you need. Crafted from high-strength alloy, this assembly delivers powerful, stable performance, instantly restoring that exhilarating acceleration you remember. Designed as a direct, OEM standard replacement, installation is straightforward, getting you back on the road with more robust power. This kit is precisely engineered for 2013 to 2018 Ram 2500/3500 6.7L diesels. Just remember, 2013 models must have DEF for compatibility. With over 20 years of manufacturing expertise behind it, you're choosing proven reliability and professional-grade performance. Feel the difference. Feel the power. Number 3. 13 to 18 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins Turbo. Ready to rediscover the raw power of your 2013 to 2018 Dodge Ram 6.7L Cummins? Our Dofok turbocharger is engineered to reignite your engine's potential, delivering a noticeable boost in horsepower. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to improved fuel economy, alongside exceptional reliability and transient response characteristics. Crafted from high-strength aluminum and robust cast iron, this turbocharger is built for extreme temperatures and lasting durability, perfectly suiting the demands of your high-performance vehicle. It's a seamless, direct replacement for your 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500, ensuring optimal matching. With OE compatibility verified and a full 1-year guarantee, you can buy with absolute confidence. Unleash your Cummins' true capabilities today. Number 2. Ram 2013 to 2018 6.7L Diesel Turbocharger with Actuator. Is your Ram 2500 or 3500 6.7L diesel feeling sluggish? Reclaim its legendary power with our meticulously crafted turbocharger, engineered specifically for 2013 to 2018 models. This isn't just a part. It's a complete solution designed to perfectly replace your He351VE or He300 VG unit. Forget hunting for extra components. Our turbocharger comes fully equipped with the crucial actuator, plus all necessary gaskets and bolts for a straightforward installation. The integrated, high-quality gaskets ensure optimal boosting performance by preventing impurities, protecting your engine's longevity. Crafted from robust alloy materials, this turbocharger is built for lasting reliability. Drive with absolute confidence, knowing your investment is backed by our 1-year, unlimited mileage guarantee. Restore your Ram's might today. Number 1. He351VE Turbo Kit for Ram 6.7L Cummins. Unleash the true potential of your Ram 6.7L Cummins with our He351VE Turbo Kit. Engineered for a direct, perfect fit replacement, this kit is compatible with your 2007 to 2012 Ram 2500, 3500, 4500, or 5500. This isn't just any turbo. It's a complete, performance-enhancing solution crafted from durable alloy. We've included a new wastegate actuator and crucial gaskets right in the box. These essential gaskets ensure a pristine seal, actively preventing impurities from entering and significantly optimizing your boost performance for improved power and longevity. Experience robust, consistent power delivery making your truck feel new again. Plus, drive with absolute confidence, backed by our 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee. So, that sums up my 10 best turbo for 6.7 Cummins. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great day.